video. So y'all, I'm about to cook me some greens. Everything is about to be vegan. So y'all see me washing these greens with this vinegar water. Y'all know y'all gotta clean them greens if y'all growing them out the ground. And I know some of them look crazy, y'all. That's because I let them sit too long and they went down the drain. So I'm just gonna pick the ones that's good and throw the ones away that's bad. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm showing y'all the way how my grandma showed me how to do it. So I'm gonna just rip them off the leaves and and tear them up in my hand. I don't got no knife. That's the way I was raised how to do it, and I dump them in my pot. And you see that little one piece of bad one right there? I'm gonna get that out. I'm gonna rip that off, get it on out my pot, and see, like, it's some leaves out in there that's still good. You know what I'm saying? Some collard greens, baby. Them collard greens about to be busting, and I want y'all to make y'all some vegan food for Thanksgiving too. So yeah, y'all, like I was saying, the baby in the background screaming and stuff. So this the way I was raised, rip them up, put them in your pot. Make sure you clean them greens real good. And this is what I'm gonna be adding: the olive oil, the vegetable stock, the pepper, garlic, onion, Tony's, liquid smoke, table, salt, pepper, garlic powder, peppers, all the little peppers and the onions and the tomatoes. I'm gonna be adding in my greens, y'all. So we're gonna add some fresh, clean spring water, get some minced garlic, and we're gonna let this and get your veggie broth. Cause these greens, I'm used to having ham hocks in them greens, baby. You can't do that when you vegan. You know what I'm saying? Or them turkey tails, or them turkey. Listen, it's still gonna be good, even though it ain't got no meat in here. Greens be greening when they season. You know what I'm saying? They be greening when they season. You know what I'm saying? So they was busting, like the whole pot it wasn't a lot in the pot, but that pot disappeared real quick. So like I said, my greens be busting. Try this recipe. Do what I'm doing. Get y'all some butter. You need some butter, vegan butter now. And put them in them greens and let them cook for a couple of days. I'm just playing. Let them cook for, I usually let my greens cook until like they real tender. And look, y'all, they still not even done to me because I like mine a little tender. You know what I'm saying? But let them cook. I'm going to show y'all the after. Now we're going to start on the macaroni and cheese. I'm going to show y'all all the results. It's going to be plated up. All the food that I'm making on this plate is going to be plated up. These noodles, y'all, I had got this the macaroni and cheese. I got those noodles and I switched them out because I found some noodles that was that didn't have egg and milk in them. Because you got to watch that. Whenever you go vegan, you got to watch it where it say contain milk and eggs. You got to read them ingredients. So I got me a little squash. I'm going to boil that squash. And I just boiled them, what you call them peanuts? Them cashews. And put them in there, blending them up with a little milk, little oat milk. You know what I'm saying? Not everything vegan, y'all. Put your little seasonings in there. And your vital wheat. What is it? Nutritional yeast? Yep, nutritional yeast. And y'all, in this video, y'all, I just blended everything up. And I put a little salt in there or whatever. And a little bit of veggie stock. Because that's going in the mac and cheese, y'all. It was busting. I'm telling y'all, my noodles. I showed y'all how to cook noodles, macaroni noodles, 1,000 times on this channel. Plant-based butter, so we can make that cheese mixture. You know what I'm saying? Because vegan cheese, it melt, but it don't melt like as if regular cheese will melt. So we got to come on, do your thing. And then we got the tofu, what you call that? Y'all, I put so much stuff in here. Y'all looking at the recipe. Cream cheese. Tofu cream cheese. It was good. And I put that in there. Because y'all. And then on top of that, like, I know y'all be watching these videos because y'all go buy up all the damn cheese. The vegan cheese. What's going on? But I know it's Thanksgiving time and y'all about to go do your thing. And I want y'all to do your thing. So pay attention, and you got to mix it until that cheese is really melted in that mixture. And look, y'all, in this video, I was cooking for myself and then I was cooking for my family. Because my family is they're not vegan. I be trying to get them convert. Some stuff be a hit and a miss for them and they ain't having it. And they love meat. and it's hard to get them off. And I'm gonna add some mustard in this cheese, y'all. Listen, I had made macaroni and cheese a couple of times, vegan macaroni and cheese a couple of times, so I could get it to my tasting. And this right here was busting. I even had macaroni and cheese for like 2 days straight. Mind y'all, this little pan right here did me wonders. And see how that cheese going on in there? Look at that. Ooh, baby. And I'm going to add a little of that mixture that I started with, that squash mixture with them nuts and stuff. Add a little bit of that in there and put that in the oven. Some cheese on top and some little paprika. Like you doing, I'm going to show you a video because like I said, I was cooking twice. And y'all hear that sound? That's how macaroni and cheese supposed to sound, you know? That's what I was getting. It was getting. Look at that vegan mac and cheese. Got that wop. So, yeah, y'all. We gon' like I said, I made regular macaroni and cheese with regular, and then I made vegan. The vegan is mine in a small pan. I'm going to show y'all in the oven when I put both of them in the oven. And you going to see. Because that's the mixture I was talking about. And I mixed that on in. Baby. It was busted. And then it's going to thicken up. It's going to look like, the next day it's going to look like, you know how macaroni cheese, when you take it apart and it got like cheese in the noodles and stuff like that. It's going to look like that the next day. See, this is mine. And this is the original one with the dairy. Non-dairy and then dairy. So this is what it looked like because it's fresh out the oven. And I'm going to put it on a plate with the rest of the food, baby. I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. I be doing my thing in this kitchen. That macaroni cheese, it was still hot, y'all, and it was busting. Like I said, the cheese it was good. It was good, y'all. And now I'm going to make some yams. Y'all know I got to make my vegan yams. I mean, y'all know yams is, you know, sometimes people make them non-vegan. You know, you can't have that honey. So I substitute honey. Instead of using honey, I use maple syrup for everything. So, like, if I'm making honey mustard, I use maple syrup and mustard. So, this is what I do. You know what I'm saying? So, I made regular yams for my family, but I made my yams the way I make them, but still without the honey. And then on the video, I don't show you that I'm using lemon and cinnamon. So, put y'all some lemon and cinnamon. Not too much, y'all. I don't use measurements because I just let my ancestors and my grandma guide me. R.I.P. Granny. But, you know, that's who showed me how to cook. So, I just do what I do, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Use that maple syrup, that Karo syrup. Listen, I don't do this, especially if you got diabetes like me. I don't eat this on a regular, this type of meal. I do it like, sometimes if I'm in a mood to have a dinner like this, I will do it. And that's not often. Thanksgiving, Christmas. But to make them yams that's sweet. And I know y'all thinking like, damn, that's still, you know, you still can have diabetes. But instead, like, I don't eat it all the time. That's what I'm saying. Excuse the baby in the background, baby. Because she here with me. So, I mean, y'all got to bear with me. That's what y'all going to get. You come on my channel. It's real in the field. You know what I'm saying? So, but I'm saying, like, yeah, y'all just, you know, this is how I make my yams. Like I said, I don't have the lemon and the cinnamon in the video. Y'all got to do that. And this is what I add to my yams. So make sure y'all paying attention. Put them yams in the oven. Or do them how you want to. Like I said, this whole meal is vegan. You can have it for Thanksgiving, a Sunday dinner. And that's brown sugar, y'all. So y'all know the ingredients. I'm going to list them at the bottom in my description. So y'all know exactly what to get when y'all go to the stores. Because we want y'all, the vegans, to be, you know, happy, satisfied, and full. You know what I'm saying? Happy, satisfied, and full. And we're going to mix these yams up, baby. I think, for real, I'm about to start making the yams like this all the time. Because the simple fact, instead of using honey, because the kids ate the regular yams up and they ate my damn yams up. So, I'm just saying, y'all, like I said, they eat a lot of my food. You know what I'm saying? I'm the only vegan in the house, but they still be messing my food up. Because it's all about, if you know how to cook and you know how to season, Listen, baby, you can make a tree taste good. You hear me? If you know how to cook and you know how to season that tree to real, baby. And there's been plenty of times people came over my house like, yeah, when you gonna make some vegan food? Now, these are oyster mushrooms. These are my favorite mushrooms. I'm making some fried mushrooms. At this point, I was tired. Everything y'all see me, at this point, I done got lazy, y'all. I just seasoned it with some mustard, some pepper, like you'll season your chicken. Whatever seasons you want to put on there. Put them in some flour. I ain't make a mixture with the eggs, none of that. At this point, I'm like, you know what? I'm tired. I made 2 meals. One vegan and one non-vegan. Y'all know how it is standing on them feet. Your feet get the burning, baby. That's how you know you were there doing some things. So, like I said, they was coated enough for me. Well coated enough for me. So, you know what I'm saying? Now, look at this plate. Look at this plate, y'all. Look at this plate. Bussin'. Tell me, I don't be deprived of nothing. Every time I cook my family something, I'm cooking me something. I don't be deprived. Baby, I'm just doing this the vegan way. I don't want no meat no more. I don't want the soul ties, baby. And if you feeling froggy, come on and leave. You know what I'm saying? This channel is available for you. Good day, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all.